In mining, equipment performance drives your bottom line. Optimal management of these assets is critical. Asset management is about delivering a sustained level of asset performance to meet an organization's goals at an acceptable cost, to an agreed standard, at an acceptable risk over the life of the asset. AMT is the industry's most advanced asset management solution, purpose-built for mining. At the core of AMT is RPMGlobal's proprietary Dynamic Lifecycle Costing Engine, or DLCC, a powerful forecasting model that constantly updates using real-time events and condition data. This engine gives a live, forward-looking view of every asset, not just costs, but utilization, productivity, and resource needs through to end of life. That means you can plan with precision, from daily maintenance tasks to long-term asset strategy. Test and benchmark multiple maintenance scenarios before committing to any changes. Build zero-based budgets down to the component level. And connect maintenance planning with operational and financial goals, understanding the impact of each decision, all in one system. Not only can AMT be fully integrated to your ERP and other systems, it also comes with hundreds of standard reports, customizable dashboards, and intuitive scheduling tools, giving each user the data they need when they need it. And now, AMT introduces AI-powered Insights, your AI-powered built-in virtual consultant. Built to turn complex maintenance data into clear, actionable summaries. It continuously monitors your data and presents incisive intelligence that eliminates guesswork by generating practical, high-impact recommendations that deliver real, quantifiable value, from strategies and work orders to budgets, risk, and master data that underpins it all. AMT Insights identifies the key underlying drivers and provides precise, actionable insights to optimize your asset management. This new intelligence ensures you continually maximize the value of your AMT solution. Optimize performance, minimize unplanned downtime, and embed maintenance decisions across your entire operation. Whether you're benchmarking fleet performance, forecasting component life, or responding to an emerging issue, AMT helps you move faster and plan smarter. Built by maintenance experts for maintenance experts. Proven around the world. This is AMT. This is Advanced Asset Management.